Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro JPY in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got two levels here on the chart and one trend line. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of Euro JPY and what will be our best trading opportunities on the Euro JPY chart. So let's find out. So first of all, if you look at the overall trend of Euro JPY, then we can easily see that overall trend of the market is towards the downside. And if we just focus on the present trend, okay, if we just focus on the present trend of the market here, then we can see that of the present trend seems to be sideways and right now market going up. The market was very much bullish during the last trading session because Japanese yen was very much weak. And right now you can see that market was extremely bullish. That's it. So overall trend is towards the downside. It means that overall market is under the influence of dominance of sellers. Okay, and right now bears are bulls and bears are almost equal in number, but overall market is under the influence of sellers. Clear? So the next important level, okay, is the area of value. I have been talking about area of value in hundreds of videos because finding out the area of value is very crucial. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot in the market. In an uptrend market, the best buying opportunity or the best buying position is always near the support, whereas in the downtrend market, the best shorting opportunity or selling opportunity is always near the resistance. Overall, Euro JPY is in downtrend, which means that our best area of value will also be near the resistance only. So first of all, and first of all, I would like to talk about the level of 130.50 level. 130.50, this whole level is the resistance for the market. Okay. This is a resistance for the market, and you can see that whenever market was trying to go up, it faced selling pressure from above, and therefore 130.50 has been acting as a very strong resistance for the market, and therefore this level 130.50 deserves a spot in your chart as well. Apart from this level, we have got 128 on the downside as the support for the market. You can see that whenever market came down, when market faced selling pressure from above, 128 level was always present and provided support to the market. So 130.50 on the upside is the most important resistance, and on the downside 128 is the most important support for the market. And right now market is trading near this trend line. And why this trend line is important? Because see, you can see that market is in downtrend. Market is in downtrend, and whenever market was trying to go up, it faced selling pressure from above. It failed to cross the trend line each and every time. Therefore, this trend line is a valid resistance for the market. So on Monday, there is a good possibility that after hitting this resistance, this trend line, market will face the same selling pressure from above and market will go down. Therefore, on Monday after the market opening, if you see market is struggling near the trend line and market going down from here, market reversing from here, then you can short the market. You can easily short the market if market reverses or market fails to break the trend line. This is your first trading opportunity on Monday. And apart from this trading opportunity, the next opportunity is if market breaks the trend line on Monday. Listen to me carefully. If market breaks the trend line on Monday and goes up from here, then your next trading opportunity will be at the level of 130.50. As I have already mentioned that 130.50 is a strong resistance for the market, so there is a good possibility that if market breaks the trend line also, market will be facing same selling pressure at this level. So there is a good possibility that market will be reversing from 130.50 level. If market reverses from 130.50 level, again you'll get a good opportunity to short the market. So that is your second trading opportunity. And in case there is a sudden selling pressure on Monday, then there is a good possibility of market bouncing from 128 level. Right now this support is quite far away, so we just need to concentrate on this particular portion of the market on Monday, and no buy position on EURJPY because overall market is in downtrend and it is almost trading near the resistance level. So short the market at the resistance. If market reverses, do not trade blindly because there is a good possibility market may break the trend line also. So in that case, you'll have to wait for the market to short it at 130.50 level. So these are the trading opportunities on EURJPY for Monday. So hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya. Bye bye.